children, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine. And as you all know that this is your first lecture of English. So we are going to discuss a common topic only, and that is, as you all know that whatever we have learned in the up to the class 10th, we have learned the basic grammar, and here what we are going to do, the application of grammar and how we can apply the grammar in the writing skills. And this is our first topic of the writing skill, that is notice writing. As you all know that with the comparative study, student can learn more, and what I am going to tell you all about here is the comparative study only. We will do the comparative study between the notice and report. I am just giving you a common example, just a basic example. For example, if you are going to just organize a function, what you are going to do? You have to give the notice. You just have to inform to whatever we are going to organize, how many people will be there, what is the name of the function, what is the theme of the function, or what is the theme of whatever we are going to organize. Okay. And for example, if something has happened already in your home, at your home, last night there was some thieves were there, they robbed your house, they robbed a lot of money, you're gonna in the police station in the morning, you wanna write a report. That mean to say, report is the thing when something already happened, okay, that is done, okay, when work is done previously. If we are writing something, that is about the report, and if something is going to be, then we are writing notice. For example, like I am just telling you about some basic points, that is in the notice which sense will be used. I am not telling about the tense. There is a lot of difference between the tense and the sense. Okay, and I will give you the proof also of this thing, that how there is a difference between the sense and the tense. Okay, we will use here future sense, not future tense, my dear student. By using the present continuous tense or by using the other tense also, we can convey the message of future. For example, if I am writing like this, कि our school is going to organize, which tense I have used? Is going to organize. Is going mean to say present continuous, and I am conveying the message of future. So by using the other tense also, we can convey the message of future. So what we will write here? Future sense, not future tense. Okay, and which sense will be used in the report? That is past sense, not past tense. And notice is just a little bit information in the 50 words only. What is the time limit here? 50 words only. And what is the what is the word limit here? 50 words only. And what is the word limit in the report writing? That is 150 to 200 words. 150 to 200 words. Here is, like, you can just remember like this: one line of notice multiplied by 3, that is the length of report. 1 into 3, that is 3. Mean to say आपको क्या करना है? ट्रिपल कर देना है उसको. Okay. And what will you use here? Like the when, where. Okay. When, where. What will you use? When, where. कि कब और कहाँ. Okay. And what will you use in the report writing? When, where, how, whom, by. Okay. All the things, you just have to increase the length. Okay. And I think I'm just with a basic thing, you can just remember this thing. Whenever something is going to be, तो हम क्या कहते हैं? ये होने वाला है, ये होने वाला है, ये होने. जब वो हो जाता है तो वो बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है ना, कि ये भी हुआ, वो भी हुआ, ऐसे हुआ, वैसे हुआ, ये किया, वो किया. ओके, लाइक दिस की रिपोर्ट आपको जो है वो लंबी बना देनी है. ओके, लाइक दिस ओनली वी कैन गेट यूज when, where, how, why, whom, whatever the things are there. कि people involved, whatever, if there is any accident, the expired people, injured people, whatever the things are there. So now I am going to explain the format of the notice writing. What is the format of notice writing? Okay. Notice always written in the square box. Okay. Notice always written in the square box. And at the first side, what we write here? Name of the organization. Name of organization. Suppose if SKPPS is writing a notice, okay, so what will you write here? SKPPS, like Shri Krishna Parnami Public School, Jhansi. With the place you just have to write, okay. And in the second line, what we write here? Word notice in the capital letter, okay. And in the third line, what we are going to write here? Date. What is the date? Like it is 20th October 2017, whatever the date it is, okay. You will write it. And here you will write the name of the topic. Name of the topic. For example, we are going to organize blood donation camp. So what is the name of the topic here? Blood donation camp. After that, what will we write here? कब होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है, और कहाँ होने वाला है, okay, like this. And here, what will you rewrite here? The name of the person issuing the notice. Or in the next line, what will you write? Designation of this person. Or you can say the post. What is the post of this person? For example, I am writing notice. What will I write here? Kanika. In the next line, what will I write here? PGT English. Okay. Like this only, you just have to write the notice writing. Okay. And after that, I'll share some important notice also in the videos only. You all are supposed to write those notice in your notebook. And dear student, it is also compulsory for all of you to write this format also in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.